Look, I know YouTube can be difficult. In the beginning, you get the dopamine of starting a new channel. Everything's fresh, you're excited, you have passion for the niche, and everything seems good. But a couple weeks go by and you realize there's quite a bit that goes into YouTube that you may have not considered before. And then you may feel like quitting your channel a few weeks after you started or a few months after you started. So I'm here to say you shouldn't be quitting YouTube. You should be focusing on these things right here. And before we get all into that and what you should do when it comes to making money on YouTube, because I'm pretty sure we all get into YouTube so that we can generate an income for ourselves, we can leave our job, we can spend more time with family, and so on. So the struggles of a YouTuber is that it's not like any traditional business, okay? When it comes to YouTube, you have to be creative, okay? Creativity is a big part of being a YouTuber. Now you may be thinking of the regular YouTubers like vloggers or personal brands on YouTube that upload videos for a specific audience and people get to know that specific person. So there's that side of YouTube, and then you can also do YouTube as a business where you upload like faceless videos and you profit from those faceless videos by building a big channel in that niche. But with all that being said, whether you're doing a faceless channel or a personal brand channel or a kids channel or cooking channel, you have to be pretty creative. So a lot of people stumble when it comes to being creative on their channels. They get stuck for video topics, they don't know what to do. So that's one of the struggles of a YouTuber, and I'm going to be showing you how you can overcome that later on in the video. And then there's a whole bunch of things that you have to learn. Like with any sort of business that you start, there's going to be things that you need to study and learn, and one of those things is video creation. You have to know how to create a YouTube video. So whether you're using a camera that you bought off Amazon, or you're using your mobile phone, putting it up on a tripod, or just filming screen recordings, you need to be able to know how to actually create a video, and then you need to know exactly how to edit a video. Okay, but luckily when it comes to editing videos, you can hire a video editor if you do have a specific budget, or you can just do really simple edits in a free software called CapCut, and then you should be good to go when it comes to editing. But you can see those three things right there: creativity, video creation, editing, that can take a few weeks to learn. And on top of all of that, you're trying to upload YouTube videos and grow your channel and everything like that. So another stumbling block that people that get into YouTube might face is topic research. Okay, they get what is known as writer's block. They don't know what to upload next on their YouTube channel. And luckily for you, in 2026 we do have things like Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT that can actually help you with coming up with video ideas for your YouTube channel. But when it comes to video topics, that's quite important, because if you don't have an interesting topic that a lot of people will want to click on, then you're just simply not going to get views. So you have to spend a few hours a week doing your topic research. And then another stumbling block when it comes to YouTube is an investment. This is like any typical thing that you start, whether you're doing drop shipping, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're doing SMA. You have to have an initial investment. So you might have to buy a camera, you might have to buy a new phone, a tripod, a new laptop to edit. So yeah, there is that money investment that you have to do. And then you also have to find the time to be able to create your YouTube videos, whether you are a student, you're working full-time, you have a full-time job or part-time job. You have to squeeze in the time to be able to upload your YouTube videos, and that can be quite difficult sometimes if you have a busy family life, or you get off work like really late, like at night, and then you're really tired when you come home. You have to muster up the energy to be able to upload your YouTube videos. So those can be some stumbling blocks: creativity, video creation, editing, topic research, investment, and then you have to find the time. So what I want to introduce you to is search-based YouTube. This is what I did to be able to buy my time back when it comes to doing YouTube and not be on that hamster wheel of chasing viral views and everything like that. So before I get into all these different things right here, I'm going to show you what search-based YouTube is and why I love it so much. Okay, so if you open up YouTube, you'll see the regular homepage, and this is what typically people are normally trying to get on, is the homepage. Okay, they're trying to get a viral video. You can see this one, 12k views 19 hours ago. They're trying to hit the homepage with their video and essentially get a lot of views from people watching the video off of the homepage. Okay, but what I like to do is I like to utilize this nifty search bar right here that people go onto YouTube and type things. So you could type onto YouTube how to reset Samsung A05, or how to reset Samsung phone. Okay, so if you click on how to reset Samsung A05, you can see this video from 2 years ago was able to get 277,000 views just by doing simple how-to topics on various different things. Now, it doesn't have to be phones and social media and things like that. You can do other things like, okay, how to fry an egg. Okay, you can do these things: how to fry an egg on a stainless steel pan, for an example. You can do things like that. Okay, these are shorts, but you can see 1 year ago 274,000 views, no sticking, and you can see this is just a 2-minute video. So you will never have to struggle for video ideas when you're doing search-based YouTube, because you can simply come to the search bar and you can type anything how to, and then you can even just go through the alphabet. So how to air fry chicken, for an example, how to answer comprehension questions, and then you type B, how to braise chicken, how to build a house in Minecraft. So there's all these different niches that you can cover, and there's unlimited keywords that you can find when it comes to doing search-based YouTube. Now, if you want to learn this in more depth, I have a free school community. You can go to the first link in the description, and you can post any question that you have about search-based YouTube, and I'm going to go over why I like it so much now. But this free school community is something I created so that we can each help each other. And then if you go to the classroom tab, I even have a free beginner's guide course that you can take. Okay, so why search-based YouTube is great. It's not like a personal brand where if you don't upload videos, you're not going to get views. It's a business. So what you're doing is you're creating a channel, you're finding topics, and you're uploading those topics, and you just doing that as like a machine, a content machine, and that's a business. So you can take time off. You can outsource this, and I'll get into that. So it's a business. It's not like a personal brand. A personal brand is also a business, but with a personal brand, you're the face of the business, and with this is just faceless, and you can even outsource the videos, and this gives you leverage. Okay, because when it comes to a personal brand, or like I showed you on YouTube, if you're trying to get onto the home page right here, the home page, you're relying on YouTube to push your video. But when you have search-based videos, you just upload them, and eventually they're going to rank in the search results, and you're going to get consistent views over time. Okay, so we're not chasing virality when it comes to search-based YouTube. We're just sticking to the fundamentals of finding good keywords, uploading them, and doing that on a consistent basis, and you'll notice your growth is also exponential over time. And then what it also gives you is reliable income. If you're going to chase homepage views and everything like that, you may get 100,000 views in 1 month, and then 500,000 views the next month, and then it goes back to 100,000 views per month. But with search-based, the moment your videos rank, those are going to stick in the rankings, and you're going to get those views for a very long time. and this is also outsourceable. So you can hire a team to be able to create these videos for you, so you can take a back seat and you can just focus on the keywords, which is why this business model is great. And then you also get predictable growth. So you know, if I upload 100 videos, I'm more or less going to get this many views per month, and you can work out your growth that way. And then you just need to have patience, 3 to 6 months for the videos to rank in the search results. And then you'll get those rankings and the income from those videos. The goal with a search-based channel is to upload a whole lot of topics under a broad variety of different keywords, and then you're gonna be winning. So like I said, that's my favorite business model still in 2026, search-based YouTube. Go to the free school community linked up in the video description, and then you also get direct access to me. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.